Hi, it's been maybe almost 4 months since I don't talk to my camera, and I don't know by where to start. I stopped to upload videos because I was basically not feeling so well. I was making more hours in my job, so I didn't have a lot of time. But now everything is back to normal, and also I'm feeling a bit better. Oh my god, I'm very sorry. It's like very hot today. It's the very first warm day we have from the year, and oh my god, I'm very sweaty. We just came back from our trip from the national park. It was not as relaxing as I was wishing because my goal was just to connect with nature, but the only thing is in the last 4 or 5 days I've been having vertigo episodes. Past Saturday I woke up and I could not walk because everything was turning around, and I was feeling so dizzy that I was not capable of standing up by myself, and it was so scary. This is not the first time I'm having vertigo episodes. I had last year when I was having like a big stressful time in my life, and I had to stop to work for a month, and now I'm having this again, and it's never a good sign. So I'm just trying to relax and trying to come back to my center. Everything is mainly due to anxiety, and once again talking about this, but I feel like my life is turning around this in the last years, and it's very exhausting to talk about it, and this is why I was not recording anything, because I was feeling like my life, it was just like I was having like a black cloud over me, and I was feeling very negative about life and about my professional life especially. So I was trying to not talk about it basically because nobody wants to watch videos about this. I was not in a good place for filming videos. Also, I was finding my life getting very monotone and very boring because in winter we cannot do a lot of things. Here in Canada it's very cold and snow everywhere, so which I'm very okay with it. I love to have a slow living, but I don't know, I feel like everything was getting dark, and even to have a quiet life was not enough for me. Right now I'm trying to deal with this dizziness and this vertigo I'm having, and I didn't have any chance to get a meeting with my doctor, so I have to live with this for now and try to calm down and fix this by myself while I can, until I can get a meeting. And my husband planified this trip, so and actually it was really nice. Yeah, thing is that summer's coming and it's like kind of fast. I kind of love between spring and summer time because as already mentioned in older videos, I don't really love summer, and I'm scared a bit because I don't have appropriate clothes to go to work, like kind of summerish clothes, so I have to get from sandals to tops and pants and oh my god, I can't speak English, I'm so sorry. I feel since so long I don't speak on camera that I'm like, I don't know how to express myself again, and it's a bit frustrating. So please bear with me. In summer, I never know how to dress, and this is like another source of anxiety for me because I am very insecure about my body. I don't love to show my arms, I don't love to show my legs, I don't love to show my back. I don't know, I feel like between women sometimes we criticize each other, and we, even if we don't say the word, we feel the way another woman is looking at us, and we feel the judgment. Most of women, we dress for other women because I don't know, in the end it's them who look at our outfits, and I know we should not care about what other people think about us. Feeling insecure about my body is making, in the summer for me, is a bit of a torture. When I'm walking with my husband in the street, honestly, I feel so much confident. I feel like I can wear anything and I don't care what other people is thinking. Like, it's just my husband and me, and and I don't care about nothing else. But the minute I'm alone by myself, especially at my job, I feel like I'm exposed to a place where I have no control. I feel exposed. I don't know how to explain it. This is something that is playing on my mental health. This plus other things that is going on in my life, like, it's making my body react with this dizziness and this weird thing that I cannot control, and it's hard to let go. It's hard to not care, even though I try to convince myself and I think in my head everything is fine and I don't have to care, let go. I choose to let go, and etc. Like, I try tricks, but it doesn't always work, and sometimes I think it works, but my body is telling me it's not already working. This is the thing with this with me, is like, I cannot make videos and talk about light stuff. I feel like it can get a bit heavy. I don't want to push people away and that people get tired of what I have to say. I'm trying to be 100% real. My goal is always to make videos that people can connect with, because I search this so much so I can feel better with myself because I don't have a social life. I don't have friends. I just have my husband. I feel like internet is really a big companion. It's really it's like I live through it a little bit, because I don't do a lot in my real life, so watching videos in YouTube is like so much, it's like a friend in a sense, and I feel like I wish to find someone that I can connect with, but everybody's making this perfect lifestyle on YouTube and Instagram and anything. I don't follow TikTok and nothing of this. I'm too old for that, but it's getting tired to see always like people talking about their plans and how nice is their new closet and how nice is the new cafe that I got in their neighborhood. I have no idea. Like, it get a bit so superficial, and you can't relate to this person anymore. Anyway, I think I'm just talking a lot of stuff, and my video is getting very long, so I just wanted to say thank you to those two people who wrote me a comment on the video I just uploaded this week, because since a while it was like a kind of mini clips that I had for many months and that I never got to edit and put together and make a video out of it, and when I just finally did it, I just uploaded it immediately. And even though this video is not having a lot of views because I uploaded like in a random moment in the week, I'm just glad that there is those two people and leave me a comment, and I'm very grateful, and thank you for staying there even after many months that I didn't upload. And yeah,